Let us have a look at the next kind of error, and this kind of error is called as assertion error. Now this assert statement that I am going to show you, these statements are very useful in testing. Now we are not going to learn testing in this series, but I just wanted to show you the assert statement. So what I've done is, behind the scenes I've created a file called as find Zohan. So what's going to happen right now is, Louis has a list of friends, and let us try to see if we can find a particular friend in that list or not. So let me name the function as find Zohan, and this accepts a name of the friend that we want to find. So this returns nothing, so we can say none. So this is the list of friends, so I can just copy and paste it right over here. Now let us create our try and else blocks. So normally you'd write as name in my list of friends, and this would give you a boolean value of true or not. But what we can do is, we can also use the keyword of assert. So what I mean to say that I want Python to assert if the name is inside the list of friends or not. If the name is not present, that means we can have a kind of error, and this time the error would be assertion error. So let us use the except block to catch our assertion error. So we can say, oh, not arithmetic, I want assertion, and then we can say, let us print out the name not found. Now in case we get a match and this statement succeeds, then we can also write the else block, and we can print out saying that found followed by the name. We can also include the finally block. Remember that this is always going to execute. Let us print maybe goodbye. That's it. Let us try searching for a couple of friends. So I can say find Zohan, and let us try to find for Zohan himself. Let me copy and paste, and let me try to search for Sarah, and let us run this file. So we can see in the first case we found Zohan, so we are printing out find Zohan. The final block always executes. We have goodbye as well. The second time we could not find Sarah, and it threw an assertion error which was caught inside this except block. So we have the output of Sarah is not found, and the final block again executed, so we have the output of goodbye.